Hey there friend, this video I am going to show you how to install Call of Duty Mobile on your Android phone in the 2026 updated method. So let's begin. First, take your phone, open the Google Play Store app and make sure your phone is connected to valid Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, use the search bar at the bottom of top menu bar. Here simply search for Call of Duty. After you search for it, you can find the official Call of Duty games app. Simply tap on their name to open it and make sure to verify how to do it. Make sure to check this option. 4.3 is the rating, 50 million plus reviews. Also, you can check for download, 100 million plus download. Once you have successfully checked this app is real, you can find the install button. Tap on it and wait to complete the installation process depending on your phone model. This game is 2.9 gigabyte, so this is long time to wait to the complete the installation process. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.